Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Rainy day apple picking. Mickey, help us find something to do in here, says Donald. It is raining too hard to pick apples. We can find apples in here, says Mickey. In here? Says Minnie. Yes, says Mickey. That is what I said. Can you help find the apples I hid in here? Here is a red apple, says Donald. Here is a yellow apple, says Minnie. Here is another red apple, says Daisy. I can find apples, too, says Goofy. Here is a blue one, says Goofy. You did not find a blue apple, says Mickey. You did find a tennis ball, says Minnie. Help, says Goofy. Super cheers, says Mickey to his friends. You did find all the apples. Now you can help me eat them.